Hi there, Classy Mommy here. I am live from the Holiday Mom Mixer 2014, and I'm with Telebrands, who've just introduced an awesome spill-proof cup from Wow Cups. It's really cool. You can see all these fun, bright colors. We're so excited to have them here as our beverage sponsor today. So you can take a look at it. It's 360 degree. You can drink from any edge. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it is amazing that it doesn't spill. So we're doing some fun activities with the kids too. So William, give us a wave.
Wave?
Where's your little cup? Did you write your name on it?
He did.
Oh,
it's
he
right
did.
over there.
Oh, he's
She's
designing
filling
it with
up.
a drink. So
Yeah.
all the little kids have like cute stickers. They're putting initials on to put their names on it. So these are, how much are the cups again, guys? They're $10. They're sold. You can buy them online. You can buy them in stores like CVS, Bed Bath & Beyond, and other retailers. So let's do this demo and see how we do. Let's pour some apple juice. Okay. Let's see. Now I gotta snap it in hard. Is there any other trick, guys, or no? Snap it in. Turn it to. Okay, let's see. I don't know, I want to get a really good feel here to make sure we are good to go. Okay, let's see. Oh!